Hey fan collectors, what I have here is a 1941 Emerson Roundnose antique ceiling fan. I got this in West Virginia and actually restored it. Took it all the way down to bare cast iron. I rewired it. A lot of the original insulation was pretty much toast, crumbled away, the cloth insulation. So, gosh, this fan represents so much effort on my part to get it this way. So it's awesome now having it in my master bedroom where it gets use, literally every time I sleep in here. So let's start it up on high. We'll do all 3 speeds. Wait for it to stop. It has a really long spin down time. Beautiful blades on it. And something else to note, these early round noses have cast iron blade brackets instead of stamped steel like most of the ones you see. So it has real pretty detailing on the top. This also has a standard counterclockwise rotation and pitch. A lot of the later ones with the stamp blades have reverse pitch and reverse rotation. Okay, so start off on high. You can see it is a very quiet fan. There's no clicking and just a little bit of humming, but nothing objectionable. So it's surprisingly fitting for a bedroom fan. You'd think it'd be overkill, but this is Houston, Texas, and this is an upstairs master bedroom above a garage. So pretty nice to have. All right, let's do medium. Has just a little bit of wobble. Try to get that ironed out. I might do a blade weight on it. Some of these are electrically reversible, but this one is not. If it were electrically reversible, it would have a second lavalier pull chain where that cap is up top. Those also have a double layer rotor system that pumps oil both ways for each direction of rotation. So low speed's about 110, 120 RPM. It's not quite an aesthetic low, but it's enough that you can feel it. Perfect for winter time. I love how when I walk in this room, the view of this fan you get the pull chain and you get the speed coil up top in profile when you walk in. And right now in the evening, you get the sunlight kind of reflecting off the blades. So that's low speed. Takes a long time to spin down because it's got a big heavy rotor in there. But yeah, I was really glad to find this thing. I've been looking for one for a while. This is the first fan that wasn't a Hunter that I've taken apart. Taken apart half a dozen Hunter originals, and they're all pretty similar, but this was a little bit different. The way the nut comes off and the oil cup comes off and a few little things, but nothing crazy. But yeah, just a classic fan. Hope to have this in here for a long time. Before this fan in here, I had a mid-70s Hunter 22206. One of the first Hunter originals with a 2-part brass and cast iron switch housing. It also had adapt air. So that was also a pretty unique fan, but I wanted this one in here more. It's hard to beat a black fan. I used Krylon Fusion Satin Black with a matte clear coat over that and primer underneath. It looks good. I'm not going to say it's an especially durable finish. I'm still kind of learning how to do that properly. I try to prep the surfaces and give everything enough time to to dry and cure, but I'm still having some chipping issues, so I was very careful. I had to transport this fan from Virginia to get it here in my car, so I made a little rig for it, and thankfully it all worked out. Wow, beautiful fan. All right, thanks for watching.